Hi everyone, and welcome to English with JT. In this video, I am showing you how I use an agenda book to plan chores around the house and garden. Making plans in this way is called keeping an agenda. Keeping an agenda is like making your own personal calendar. And actually today, we are learning vocabulary for terms on calendars. We'll also learn important grammar to describe ongoing actions called the present continuous tense. When we are going from the winter season into summer, there can be lots of things to do. In March and April, I am already thinking about the garden. Right now, many Canadians are cleaning and preparing for summer all around the house. In spring, we are cleaning so much that we actually have a name for it. It's called spring cleaning. Yes, spring is one of my busiest times of the year. Fortunately, there are agenda books and day planners to help plan our chores and keep us organized. Usually, I feel better when I'm putting my plans into agenda books. This way, I know when I should be doing things, and it keeps all of my thoughts and plans organized. Agendas come in many formats and sizes. I'll start with daily planners for daily activities, such as working and exercising. These planners typically focus on the days of the week. Then there are business planners. Notice that the weekdays, Monday to Friday, have more space than the weekends, Saturday and Sunday. Of course, this is most practical for the standard 9 to 5 working day. It's not so practical for the people working non-standard hours. There are academic agendas for students. Many of these agendas have calendars beginning in September and ending in June. However, most agendas are based on the calendar year, starting in January and ending in December. Of course, nowadays, agendas are available as software and apps. Some chores that we do, like housework, are repetitive. Basically, we are repeating the same schedule every week. Pretend now that you are keeping a weekly agenda for housework. What might that look like? On Sunday, I am doing the laundry. On Monday, I am vacuuming the floor. On Tuesday, I am putting out the garbage. On Wednesday, I am cleaning the bathroom. On Thursday, I am going grocery shopping. On Friday, I am watering the plants. After a busy week, I am tired. On Saturday, I am taking a rest. Now I am making some plans for outdoors. When should we start planting our vegetables outdoors in Canada? Well, depending on where you live, there are actually different times for planting. Most of us are planting our vegetables and flowers in late May and early June. I am planning to plant my garden on the Victoria Day long weekend. As we see in my agenda, Victoria Day is a holiday in Canada that occurs in May. Notice if there is a holiday on the Friday before or the Monday after the weekend, we call this a long weekend. Hence, we call this the Victoria Day long weekend. So what other gardening and spring cleaning needs to be done in spring? Well, let's have a look. At the moment, I am cleaning windows. I am sowing seeds indoors. I am preparing the soil to plant vegetables. I am raking the lawn to remove sticks and old leaves. I am removing the plant covers that protected the plants from the snow. All of these activities I am keeping in my agenda. Okay, now we are all organized for spring. It's time for some grammar now. Present continuous tense is also called present progressive tense. It is used to refer to a current activity in progress. For example, you are watching a video now. I am living in Canada. Present continuous tense can also describe an action planned in the future. For example, next week, I am uploading a new video online. In May, I am planting my garden. Present continuous sentences are formed using the present tense of the verb be, along with the ing form of the main verb in the sentence. It is always in the format of I am, you are, we are, she is, he is, they are, it is, plus the main verb with the ing form. How do we change a verb into its ing form? The general rule when changing a verb into its ing form is just to add ing to the end of the verb. However, there are many exceptions. A quick example is, if a verb ends in a consonant and a letter E, drop the E and add ing. For example, live becomes living. Smile becomes smiling. If you want to know more exception cases, check out the grammar PDF file on my website, englishwithjt.com. Okay, you are ready for some new vocabulary used on calendars. Let's go! Calendar, calendar. Date, date. Day, day. Week, week. Month, month. Year, year. January, January. February, February. March, March. April, April. May, May. June, June. July, July. August, August. September, September. October, October. November, November. December, December. Monday, Monday. Tuesday, Tuesday. Wednesday, Wednesday. Thursday, Thursday. Friday, Friday. Weekday, weekday. Saturday, Saturday. Sunday, Sunday. Weekend, weekend. Long weekend, long weekend. Calendar year, calendar year, school year, school year. Season, season, spring, spring, summer, summer, autumn, fall, autumn, fall, winter, winter. Okay, that's all the time we have for today. If you like this lesson, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, while I'm busy making plans for spring, I hope you're busy making plans to visit EnglishWithJT.com. There you'll find a full text of this lesson, vocabulary PDFs, grammar tips, and so much more, all at EnglishWithJT.com. I really hope to see you there. And I hope you come back and join us for another lesson. Until next time, have a great day and keep enjoying English.